Hi guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about what happens when your Adobe Premiere sound stops working and some different things you can do to fix the issue. Now the two most common reasons for audio issues in Premiere Pro is either incorrect hardware settings or a muted track layer, which is the one down here. So the first thing you want to check is that the track layer isn't muted, so you want to come down to the audio section and you want to make sure this green is not highlighted. If it's highlighted green, it means it's muted, and unhighlighted means that it's working fine. Now, if that's all correct, the next thing you want to check is your audio hardware settings. Sometimes if you're switching between using headphones and using speakers, it can cause the settings to be misconfigured. So let's go and check that now. If you're using the same version of Adobe Premiere as me, 2024, you want to come up to the Edit tab at the top here, and then you want to come down to Preferences, and then select the Audio Hardware tab. So what you want to do is you want to come over to the default output section here and make sure you've selected the device where you want the audio to come out from. So for me, that's the system default speakers, but for you, that could be something different. Another thing that has been proven to work for people, if that still isn't working for you, is you can change the default input settings to no input, and sometimes that fixes the problem for some people. Now, if your audio is still not working, one other thing you can do is you can clear the media cache. Now, a cached file is a temporary storage file that Adobe uses to speed up the program. However, sometimes these can cause the system to lag and prevent the audio from functioning. So from this screen here, you want to come over to the media cache and then come over to press the delete button here and just select OK. Now, once you've deleted the media cache, you want to restart the application. Now, the last thing you can do if your audio is still not working is to review your playback preferences. Playback preferences are an important setting in Premiere Pro as it controls the way the media files are played during the post-production. You can check your playback preferences by again selecting the Edit button up here, and then coming over to Preferences, and then selecting the Playback tab. And what you want to do is you want to look at this tab here, Primary Audio Device, and you want to make sure this is set to Adobe Desktop Audio. Hopefully one of these methods helped you fix your audio issues. If it helped you, please drop a like, and if you're still experiencing any problems, drop a comment below.